If you want prettier makeup instantly, change this one thing in your makeup routine. If you have textured skin, large pores, mature skin, fine lines, and wrinkles, and you want your makeup to look beautiful, you want your skin to look better when you're wearing makeup, you need to try this. Hi, how are you today? I am so glad that you're here. My name's Dawn from Just Doing My Best. Today, we're going to talk about under makeup primer. I really feel like under makeup primer, especially for mature skin, is not talked about enough. And it can make a huge difference in the way your makeup looks, in the way your makeup performs, in the way that your makeup will last throughout the day, withstand humidity, the way it will smooth out your makeup and just give you a more beautiful canvas. I don't think anybody talks about it enough. Why am I making such a big deal about it? I'm starting a new series where I plan to make a lot of new videos that are super simple to consume. Just really easy things where if you're not good at makeup, you can change one thing and make a huge difference in the way your skin and your makeup performs. So let's get started with makeup primer. Overall, makeup primer's overarching purpose is to give your makeup something to stick to help it last longer. Most makeup primers also come with extra benefits. So I'm going to share 3 of my favorite makeup primers with you today. And we're going to do this really quick. I'm going to finish my makeup. I'm going to show you what it looks like at the end. But let me tell you really quickly, I am wearing long sleeves and I'm keeping my sleeves unbuttoned because I have some really horrible fire ant bites. We live in Tennessee. We have a little hobby farm. I was working outside this past weekend and I had gardening gloves on while I was doing things, and a couple of fire ants got in my glove and literally just chewed their way out. So I have been super uncomfortable for several days, so I'm covering them up. 2 of these makeup primers I have talked about before, but let me tell you the benefits. My favorite all-around under makeup primer is this one here. This is the NYX Blurscreen, and this has an SPF of 30. So it will blur your imperfections. It will blur your large pores, your fine lines. It gives you a smooth canvas, just making a beautiful canvas for your makeup to go on. It gives you beautiful longevity. Your makeup will look great all day long, and SPF 30, you cannot go wrong with this one. This may be a brand you've never heard of before. I created this video here about this brand and their gorgeous foundations. If you have dry skin, mature skin, dull skin, this makeup primer is for you. If you've never gotten any makeup or skincare from Korean skincare brands, they make glorious products. Usually everything is super affordable and it's groundbreaking. It's always either delivery methods or ingredients that most of the time you cannot find in the United States. This is super affordable. This generally runs around $15. It will bring radiance to your skin. It's very hydrating, and it just gives you the most beautiful, smooth canvas for your makeup to go on, whether you use their foundation or not. This is a beautiful makeup primer. My last makeup primer is by Dalton. This is the one I'm going to finish my makeup with. And I do want you to know none of my content is sponsored. All of these opinions are my own. This Dalton makeup primer is created just for mature skin. So just like the title indicates, it's a tinted serum primer. So tinted, if you can find your perfect match, you could easily use this alone and not add foundation over it and just get a beautiful light coverage finish. The serum, so it's got some beautiful skin-loving ingredients just for our mature skin, and primer so that it's blurring, giving your makeup just a beautiful finish, blurring fine lines, large pores, texture, everything that we're looking for. I love this. Well, what do you think? I don't use makeup primer every single day, but when I do, I am shocked by the results. My makeup and my skin looks so much better. It's just like there's a filter over me all day long. I love it. So I want to know if you're going to change this one thing to have your makeup look so much better. I'm going to link all of the makeup primers down in the description below, and I have a discount code for Dalton, so I hope you'll check it out. Come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. Say hi over there, and if you love simple makeup tips to make our mature skin look even better, I hope you'll watch this video next. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.